Welcome back everyone, Justin here from Silver Metrics, and I've got part 4 of the Into the Journey Engine content series. In this section we're going to focus on measurement. So depending on how it's done, measurement and data can be the absolute most critical part of scaling your content and marketing engine. Or measurement can be literally useless. Today I'm going to focus on making sure that your measurement strategy is the former. And the most critical thing that you guys need to remember is that having data and collecting data really isn't enough. Anyone can do that. It's all about putting your data to action. So now we're going to go into tuning your engine, which is the path to scaling. And there's a couple ways that we tune the engine in order to accomplish that. The first is through measurement. Measurement really only works when there's a way to quickly diagnose the engine and make changes to it in real time. And there's a few roadblocks that stop a lot of people from doing this, which is why they don't measure properly, or even worse, give up on measurement altogether. So I'm going to go into those things. The first roadblock to measurement is measuring nothing. So really they just think that they can smell good content, and maybe they think measurement is too hard or too boring. But honestly, folks, you can't. You can't smell good content. Don't be that guy. Follow the famous words of my favorite philosopher, Epictetus. It's impossible for a man to learn what he thinks he already knows. My suggestion is to humble yourself, guys. That's really the only way you can make sure it's actually great. So the next problem is the opposite end of the spectrum, which is measuring too many things, which I see a ton with big organizations, just big data barfs of every metric possible, which is just gross, and it leads to analysis paralysis. People can't understand the reports, they don't know what to do with them, and no action takes place because everything is just too confusing. So let's avoid that, guys. And the next problem is measuring the wrong things. What I mean by that is you really want to choose only metrics that are going to change the way you behave. If a metric doesn't change the way you behave in some way, then it's a bad metric. You should not be measuring it. Remove it from your reports. In the words of my favorite analytics guru, Avinash Kaushik, you are what you measure, guys, so choose wisely. The solution to your measurement problems is to keep it simple. One great example of measurement is your car's dashboard. So think about what really is your car's dashboard. It's a quick, easy, real-time view into all the info you need to run your engine smoothly. There are some important questions that you want to ask about the data that's available on your engine. Does it need fuel? Is it dangerously hot or cold? Does it need oil? And notice that for each of these different questions, we have one metric and one visual. Do we have 50 different metrics to tell us how much fuel we need? No, we just need one metric. Do we have a bunch of different metrics to tell us our engine temperature or whether the engine needs oil? No, we just have one metric per important question and one visual. That's all you need to know as the guy who's driving this system. And that's exactly what you want for your Journey engine. As a review, the keys are: use only metrics that force actions and incentivize what you want. Choose only one metric per business question. And spend time taking action, not pulling data. So when I say this, what I mean is that if you are spending a ton of time collecting and pulling data or putting together visuals and reports, that's really not the best use of time for your business. These are really things that should be automated. Folks, you have an opportunity today to download for free our exact tool set that we use to build, streamline, and automate journey engines for our clients. You're also going to get a measurement plan and a custom template for building your own journey engine. And you'll also get the option to opt in for a free 7-part series on all the tactics we use to build the journey engine in detail. So I highly recommend that you click the link below and download your free journey engine toolbox. It's going to add a ton of value for you in your life, in your business, in your career as a marketer. Again, guys, just go ahead and click the link below to join my tribe and step into your journey, and I'll see you on the inside. Okay, go ahead. What are you waiting for? Click the link.